Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA, and this is part 2 of the radish. Let's get to it. Okay, so unfortunately my phone broke, so I lost all the footage of when this was germinating. But anyways, let me just show you guys what is going on here. So on day 4, the cherry bells germinated. That was the ones here in front. And then on day 6, the white icicles germinated. So on day 4, I checked underneath that cardboard. So I took the cardboard off and I put it there. So I put the net over on day 4. Then it started to germinate the cherry bells. So let me just show you guys a closer look of how it look. Okay, so this is the cherries. As you can see, it's busy forming at the moment. And over here is the white icicles. There's one forming over here. So with this radish on day 8, the cherry bells started forming the true leaves, and then on day 12 the white icicles started forming their true leaves. And today it's been now about like 34 days now, so they're starting to bulb up now, the cherries and the white icicles. But the white icicles, it seems like it's going to take a bit longer because they are bigger. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Backyard out.